Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to take some time and look at this 2017 Kenworth T370. Has an 11-foot Stellar T-Max service body on it, a Stellar 12 630 crane with a 12,000 pound maximum lifting capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 30 feet, has 3 total sets of drawers, 1 full set of bolt drawers, little under 172,000 miles, a little over 9,000 hours. It's a 300 horse PX9, mated to the Allison Automatic transmission. Spring ride rear, 33K GVWR. This is a CDL truck. American Eagle 65R hydraulic rotary compressor. Hydraulic outriggers, tow hitch receiver, master slide locks on the bed. Really nicely equipped truck all the way around. The entire service body, just the exterior, was just sandblasted and repainted. It shows like new bed liner applied to the bumper and inside of the bed as well. This was a one owner, locally owned truck. Came to us off a fleet out of Virginia. It's always been here. The bed and the truck are the same year. Now, the goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So in the first half of the video, we're going to go around the exterior of the truck, point out any cosmetic imperfections I find. We'll look inside all the bins. We'll go inside the cab, underneath the truck as well. In the second half of the video, I'll do a cold start. We'll run the truck just up the cul-de-sac real quick, take a look at the engine, and then we'll run all the equipment on the truck. If at any point in time you have any questions, or if you need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. Very dry underneath, a little bit of minimal surface rust here and there. You can see some of the areas of the just the liner they spray on the bottom of the bed is peeled off a little bit of surface rust there. All the bin floors are solid, frame rails are solid, no current oil leaks. You have your fuel tank here and your def tank. A couple chips here along the bottom edge of the driver door. Now again, I want expectations and reality to align, so I'm going to be as thorough and transparent as possible. Just going through the exterior and interior condition of the truck. Point out any cosmetic imperfections I find. I want everything you see on the truck when you come to look at it to perfectly match up with what we look at in this video. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat back. The bottom has been replaced. It does not match. The color is kind of a dark gray and the back is a black color. 5/16/2016 manufacture date, 33,000 GVWR. And again, it's a PX9, 300 horsepower, mated to the Allison 3500 RDS with a 557 rear. 171,819 on the miles. Spring ride rear, it does have a locking rear end. Allison push button automatic cruise control. This is your body control panel here, controls all the lights on the bed. You have your factory rechargeable wireless remote, laptop mount as well. A little bit of staining there on the headliner itself. Power windows. Now this truck's just been fully serviced. Anything we find that need addressed, we do take care of. If you'd like a full write-up of the work just performed on this truck, it'll be anywhere you see the truck listed. Facebook, my website, Commercial Truck Trader. If you would like copies of all parts and labor, I can send those along as well. We use all OEM parts when reconditioning our trucks. And again, anything we find that needs addressed, we take care of. A couple chips along the front driver fender. Some more chips along the grille surround here. A little bit of ghosting of the previous logo up here on the hood. There's a little bit of chipping along the hood as well, as you can see there, from where the cat logo was taken off. Some more chips along the front surround and some more along the passenger headlight. Front bumper is in good shape, no dents or dings on it. Front tires are Michelin's, plenty of tread all the way around. We did not put these on, but they are pretty new. Did not warrant replacement. Now again, the bed is an 11-foot Stellar T-Max service body. Just the exterior was sandblasted and repainted. We don't paint the interiors of the bins. We just paint the exterior to fix paint peel, paint failure, scratches, whatnot. So the exterior does show like new. All the doors close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. We have the bin keys. All the latches are keyed the same, so the same key will operate all these service body compartments. In the front of the passenger one compartment, you have your torch bottle racks and your chains for securing. And on the left-hand side here, you have a couple sets of shelves, some dividers, and your oxygen acetylene reel. Passenger 2 compartment has that full set of bolt drawers inside of it. One shelf up on top. $19 total drawers there, 2 across, or I'm sorry, 18, 2 across, 8 high. Need to play with that latch a little bit. There we go. Brand new drive tires just installed on the rear. They're Falcons. They match on both sides. Now this passenger wheel well compartment has one drawer inside of it. A big shelf on top. Inside the crane compartment, you have your Reelcraft hose reel. Down here at the bottom, that is routed out of the back of the bed right here. Outrigger control levers right there. And you have your regulator, dryer, control panel, rear control panel. And then a shot of the load chart here. It's a 12630, again, 12,000 pound maximum lifting capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 30 feet. Bed liner was redone on the rear of the body as well. Tow hitch receiver on the rear, hydraulic outriggers. It does have the master slide locks, so you can slide this over, put a padlock through it. Well, I don't know what's going on with this side. We need to take a look at this and adjust this. You should be able to slide it down, put a padlock through it, and lock the entire side all at once, like this one here. Just put a padlock through it and you can lock the whole side. That one is out of alignment or something, but we'll take a look at that and get that addressed. It does have a job box in the bed, factory tie downs. Passenger rear compartment, 3 more sets of shelves inside of here. Now the bed does have the interior tab system, so you can move those shelves up and down, add additional shelves if you desire, or move around in the compartments what you have there already. You have another set of American Eagle drawers here. The next 3 compartments are all going to have these twist lock American Eagles in them. This one has 4. I believe the front 2 compartments have 11 shelves total. All these drawers slide super nicely. Ball bearings are in good shape. Driver 1 and driver 2 compartment. Again, full set of drawers here in both sides. Shelf up top, some extra dividers there, and then some smaller drawers over on this side. Now these drawers do individually lock as well. We also have the key for those. Obviously they are all keyed the same. That about wraps up the cosmetic portion of this demo video. I'm going to hop in the truck and take it for a quick spin. Once again, if you do have any questions so far, 804-716-8487. Call or text anytime. $9,078 hours. Plenty of power, tracks nice and straight down the road. I'm going to back it on up here and we'll go and run all the equipment on it. You can see some of those chips a little bit better on the hood that I was talking about earlier on in the video. 2 front mount LED floodlights. Strobe mounted up top behind the cab. Now the truck has 1 LED floodlight on each side, as well as interior LED strip lighting throughout, so all the compartments do have working LED strip lighting, and on each side there's 1 LED floodlight. No LED lights on the rear, it's just the 2 sides, the 2 front, and then all the interior strip lighting throughout all the compartments. Outrigger levers are right here. Crane is run off a factory wireless remote, fully proportional, so the trigger controls the speed. crane does have a brand new rotation bearing that was just replaced. Factory bearing from Stellar. Again, 12,000 pound capacity, 30-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extension. The anti-2-block bracket is bent up. We can try and bend that back to where it'll work the way it's supposed to. The pulley block as well is a little small for this crane. I do have one that'll fit that we will put on after this video is done. Inner boom is nice and clean down both sides. Decent thickness left on the wear pads. Again, zero slop in the rotation gear. That was just replaced. It's brand new. You can also shut the truck off from the remote, as well as turn it back on. Well, that about wraps up this demo video. Once again, it's a 2017 Kenworth T370 PX9 300 horse Allison Auto spring ride rear, 171,000 miles, 9,000 hours, 12/630 crane, 11-foot bed, 65R hydraulic rotary compressor. If you have any questions or need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. Now, this is all that I buy and sell. If you're looking for something slightly different, smaller, different size crane, feel free to give me a shout. I have new trucks coming in on a weekly basis. Thanks again for watching.